Hi, I'm Leah Findlater. I'd like to talk to you today about the AI and accessibility research that we're doing at Apple and opportunities for you to get engaged in that work. Our AI/ML research team includes human-centered researchers who specialize in visualization, educational technology, sensing, and accessibility. We focus on real-world impact. We ship our work in Apple products, which is exciting when there are 1 billion active iPhones around the world. In the last year, AI/ML research has contributed to features from screen recognition and improved chart accessibility for voiceover users, to non-speech switch control for iOS, to one-handed gestures that control the Apple Watch. We also publish at venues such as ASSETS, CHI, and WIST. Our recent publications are available at machinelearning.apple.com. Our research covers a variety of areas, so let me give you a few examples. This first one is screen recognition, which Xiaoyu Zhang and others published at CHI 2021 and was released as a voiceover feature in iOS 14. This project addresses problems when app developers do not provide accessibility metadata for screen readers about elements like text and buttons. Without that information, the app won't be fully accessible, such as this example where the screen reader plays a thunk sound for each element rather than describing it. To address this problem, screen recognition employs computer vision to automatically infer accessibility metadata from the pixels on the screen. This approach uses a robust, fast, energy-efficient on-device model trained on over 77,000 iPhone app screens that we collected and annotated. With the inferred metadata, accessing the same app now sounds like in this video clip.
Image. An illustration of two people. Nudged.
There, the screen reader mentioned an image and described its contents and said the label nudged before I cut it off. Here's a quote from one of our blind QA engineers. I am so excited I just need to share. Last night I downloaded an inaccessible game, so I decided to enable screen recognition. Guess who has a new high score? I am in awe. This is incredible. It is the first mainstream game I have ever been able to play on iOS besides Trivia Crack. Another screen reader accessibility example is our work on data representations. Here we have collaborated on improving chart accessibility, which was announced at the Apple Developer Conference, WWDC, in June. Lillian DeGrief, Cynthia Bennett, and Dominic Moritz also have an experience report at Assets this year on the process of making this type of research accessible to a team with mixed visual abilities, and I encourage you to check that out. We're also working on accessible voice input. In a recent paper at InterSpeech, Colin Lee and others looked at how to improve speech recognition for people who stutter. Also, coming out in iOS 15 is a feature called Sound Actions that allows people to control the switch cursor on an iPhone by using non-speech mouth sounds like and sh, sh. Finally, we influence what good design means at Apple, for example, through a recent WWDC talk with Cynthia Bennett titled The Process of Inclusive Design. This process has already impacted accessibility features such as voiceover image descriptions in iOS 15. Now, if you're interested in getting involved in our work, here are a few programs. First, the Apple Scholars in AI/ML PhD Fellowship Program includes accessibility as a focus area. The deadline passed before Assets, but hopefully we will offer the program again next year. Another opportunity that was new in 2021 is the AI/ML Residency Program. This is a year-long program for people who already have graduate degrees in a STEM field to gain a deeper understanding of technical and theoretical machine learning development. Finally, we have a student internship program, and we will be looking for interns who have HCI and accessibility research experience and working knowledge of machine learning approaches, or who have ML experience and an interest in accessibility. Please feel free to contact our group about any of these. Thank you for listening, and please visit machinelearning.apple.com to learn more.